Did you know that Twitter, or should I say, X, hides a bunch of secret features most users never use? Whether you're here for memes, news, or to grow your personal brand, these hidden tips will make you look like a pro user in no time. Here are 5 powerful Twitter tips you didn't know about. Keyboard shortcuts. If you use Twitter on desktop, press the question mark key. And boom! A secret shortcut menu appears. You can press N to compose a new tweet instantly, G+H to jump to your home feed, or G+D to open your DMs. It's like having a cheat code for faster tweeting. Try it, it'll save you tons of time. Filter your notifications. Tired of random spam in your notifications? Go to Settings, Notifications, Filters. Here, you can mute notifications from new accounts, bots, or people without profile pictures. It's an easy way to clean up your feed and see only what matters, real people engaging with you. Bookmark folders. You probably know the bookmark feature, but did you know you can organize them into folders? Just tap Bookmarks, then New Folder. Create folders like ideas, designs, or threads to read. No more scrolling endlessly to find that one useful post you saved weeks ago. Advanced search filters. You can use operators to find tweets like a detective. For example, type from Elon Musk since 2022-01-01 until 2022-12-31, and you'll only see tweets Elon posted that year. You can even search for tweets with specific words, hashtags, or even links. Control who can reply. Before tweeting, tap the globe icon and choose everyone, people you follow, or only people you mention. This is perfect for avoiding trolls or keeping discussions focused. It's one of the most underrated features on X. So, which of these features surprised you the most? Drop a comment below, and if you learned something new, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more hidden tech secrets every week. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.